So, bakit nga ba game changer ang pagkakaroon ng isang sales funnel as a business owner or content creator? So, today is day 23 of Project Dream Life, and today, share ko lang sa inyo ang importance of having a sales funnel sa business mo. So, basically, sales funnel is just a landing page or a website, and dun sa landing page na yon, you just showcase the products or online courses na ino-offer mo, like paid course or paid products. The main purpose of a sales funnel is to increase interest. So basically, kapag nag-click naman sila sa'yo, hindi naman agad-agad sila bibili. And they just want to know more about you and your business and your products. All you have to do is build a sales funnel at first. Para makuha mo yung email nila, you can offer a free template or a free course na pwede nilang gamitin. Then make an irresistible offer. For example, a free course or a free template. Yun yung magiging gateway para i-click ng client or prospect clients mo yung link mo. And kapag nakuha mo na yung email nila, you can send your promos and packages sa kanila so they can increase brand interest and brand awareness sa business mo. At pag nakilala nila yung business mo, eventually, bibili na sila or mag-a-avail na sila ng products and services na ino-offer mo. And that is how your sales funnel can generate you more income with a less ad cost. If interested ka sa mga ganitong content, just like, follow, and share. And follow mo na din ako sa mga social media accounts mo. That is all. Thank you for watching. Follow for day 24.